Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Sundays with Sully. You guys know the spiel, but if you don't, make sure to give us a like, subscribe, share at Navtronics on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook to stay up to date with the latest marine tip, techs, and trends. So, what are we talking about today, guys? Today, I had the courtesy of CWR dropping off a boat hook for us to check out from PYI Industries. It's in this box, guys. This is a 75-inch boat hook, weighs less than a pound, and has a push-pull rating of 66 pounds. So a lot of stuff going on here, so check it out. Like I said, really small in this box. Storage area for boat hooks sometimes becomes an issue. Check this out. This is it, right here. This is the entire thing, all boat hook, everything right here. This is the actual hook. It stores on its own receiver inside of here, so this is very compact, stays all together. You pull the hook out, and very simply, you just start to unroll it. And you see it automatically kind of conforms right here. So we go all the way out with it. Go ahead, we roll this thing out, and we got it to snap. And then there's a little twist lock in here that goes into this right here. So we go ahead and we get that guy down in there, turn it to lock. Now, it's a locked boat hook. It's on there, like I said, 66-pound rating. What did we say, 75 inches right here. That's it, that's your boat hook. You got a nice kind of a neoprene grip on it, and you're able to grab everything and do everything. Look at that, I can reach right out to the camera with it. So, that, guys, is it. That's what we are talking about on Sundays with Sully. We go ahead, we break this thing down. They say it's just a twist. We set that down, and now we just literally fold that open, and it rolls right back onto itself really quick, really easy. So maybe you don't, have space for a boat hook on your boat. You take this thing and throw this in a glove box. It's real quick. You see how quick it is to open up and to use. And then that just goes right on there. And now it's stored. So that's it. That is this week's Sundays with Sully. It is the PYI Revolve Foldable Collapsible Weatherproof Boat Hook. I think that thing's pretty freaking slick. Just throw it on your on your dinghy or whatever. We don't have a lot of space for a full-size boat hook, but you want to have that ability. You got it right here. So check them out, guys. PYIinc.com if you want to know more about this. That's it. That's all I've got for this week's Sundays with Sully. Something a little different there. Hopefully you guys find that useful on your boat. As always, make sure to give us a like, subscribe, share at Navtronics, and stay tuned next week for next Sundays with Sully. I don't know what we got, but you're going to want to tune in and find out. Peace.